What if I told you that Apple's most guarded secret has already been completely exposed to the public months before its official launch? This is not just another small rumor from a random insider on social media. We are talking about one of the biggest and most devastating data leaks in Apple's history. Thousands of confidential files, highly sensitive engineering documents, early prototype records, and detailed hardware specifications have reportedly been leaked online. Now the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro is making major headlines long before Apple executives even have a chance to step onto the stage. This massive leak did not come directly from Apple's headquarters. Instead, it came from a serious cyber attack on one of Apple's most important manufacturing partners, Tata Electronics. A notorious cyber group reportedly targeted Tata Electronics and managed to bypass their security systems. The attackers allegedly gained access to more than 200,000 internal files directly connected to Apple's global supply chain. That is a massive amount of data, totaling over 600 gigabytes of highly classified information. These leaked files do not just contain text. They include exact component details, internal design documents, hardware specifications, and deep insights into upcoming features. This is widely being described as the largest and most significant Apple-related data breach we have ever seen. It is a massive wake-up call for the tech giant. This incident raises a highly important concern about modern cybersecurity. In today's digital world, even the most powerful and wealthy technology companies are not completely safe from clever attackers. Apple is famous for its extreme secrecy, but it relies on a complex network of manufacturing partners across many different countries to build its devices. If just one of those partner companies faces a security failure, Apple's most sensitive product information can easily leak to the public. Because of this major security slip, both Apple and Tata Electronics are expected to heavily invest in improving their cybersecurity systems. This leak is a clear reminder that our global supply chains are more connected, more complex, and more vulnerable than they have ever been before. So what do these leaked documents actually tell us about the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro? If you were hoping for a completely radical redesign, you might feel a little disappointed at first. The leaked files suggest that Apple is sticking with its classic flat-sided design for another year. The overall shape, size, and layout of the phone will look very similar to the previous generation of iPhones. Apple seems highly confident that its current design language still works incredibly well for consumers. Instead of introducing dramatic changes just for the sake of looking different, the company is focusing heavily on small refinements. However, do not think the phone will look exactly the same because there are still some very noticeable visual updates. The biggest change you will spot is on the back of the phone, specifically the rear camera module. The leaked files suggest that the main camera bump will become slightly taller. Along with a taller bump, the protective metal rings around each individual camera lens are expected to become visibly thicker. This change will give the phone a much bolder, more powerful, and more industrial appearance. But this is not just about aesthetics. Thicker rings will actually serve a functional purpose by helping protect the expensive lenses from scratches and accidental drops, which greatly improves the overall durability of the device. Apple is also highly expected to continue using a titanium frame for the iPhone 18 Pro. Titanium has already proven to be a fantastic material choice because it is significantly lighter and much stronger than the stainless steel Apple used in older models. It gives the device a premium, high-end feel in the hand while also absorbing impacts better during drops. Apple is clearly satisfied with how titanium has performed, and they are continuing to use it as a signature feature for another generation of Pro models. Interestingly, the leaked files reveal that the iPhone 18 Pro may actually become slightly thicker and a little heavier. At first, that might not sound like a positive upgrade because we usually want our phones to be as thin and light as possible. However, there is a very good reason behind this change. A slightly thicker phone body allows for much more internal space. Apple can easily use that extra space to pack in a significantly larger battery, a highly improved thermal cooling system to prevent overheating, or more advanced internal hardware components. If Apple is making the phone a tiny bit thicker to give us better daily performance and a much longer battery life, most users will gladly welcome that trade-off. Another crucial detail confirmed by the leak is the continuation of the USB-C charging port. After finally moving away from the proprietary Lightning connector, Apple appears fully committed to the universal USB-C standard. This makes charging your phone, transferring data, and connecting accessories incredibly convenient across multiple different devices like your iPad or laptop. It also keeps the iPhone in perfect alignment with modern global regulations. The classic triple camera setup on the back is expected to remain, but the most exciting upgrades are happening deep inside the camera system. According to the leaked documents, Apple is working hard on integrating larger camera sensors. In photography, larger sensors are a massive deal because they are capable of capturing much more light. More light naturally translates to brighter photos, significantly better performance in low-light environments, and incredibly rich details in every single shot. Whether you are just taking casual photos of your friends or trying to create highly professional video content, these camera upgrades will make a very noticeable difference in your daily use. On top of larger sensors, there are also reports of highly improved lens stabilization systems. Better physical stabilization works behind the scenes to reduce any blur caused by your hands shaking while taking a photo. It also helps create incredibly smooth, cinematic video recordings without needing a separate stabilizer tool. When you combine these upgraded optics with Apple's advanced software processing, the iPhone 18 Pro is highly likely to secure its spot as one of the absolute strongest camera smartphones on the entire market. Of course, all of these premium upgrades and advanced features might come with a catch, and that catch is the price. Several industry reports suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro could easily become Apple's most expensive Pro model to date. Using premium materials like a titanium frame, installing larger custom camera sensors, upgrading the internal storage memory, and dealing with rising manufacturing costs globally are all major factors that will likely push the retail price higher. This rising price trend is not just limited to Apple, as we are seeing advanced technology push production costs higher across the entire smartphone industry. When we look at all of this information together, Apple's overall strategy becomes very clear. The company is not interested in chasing dramatic, flashy redesigns every single year. Instead, they are completely focused on making steady, meaningful, and reliable improvements. They want to give users better cameras, stronger materials, improved physical durability, and highly refined daily performance. Apple firmly believes that these small but highly impactful upgrades are what actually create a much better long-term experience for the average user. In my honest opinion, this refined approach actually makes a lot of sense. Most smartphone users do not need a completely new design every single year because design trends do not change that fast. What people actually want and care about is a battery that lasts all day, a phone that does not break easily when dropped, and a camera that takes stunning photos in any lighting condition. If these leaked details turn out to be completely accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro is going to deliver exactly what users are looking for. Yes, the starting price might be a bit higher, but for users who want the absolute best technology Apple has to offer, these practical and powerful upgrades will easily justify the extra cost. The iPhone 18 Pro is still months away from its official announcement, and minor details could still change before production is finalized. But if this massive leak has shown us anything, it is that Apple is preparing a flagship device that focuses purely on power, durability, and camera excellence. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.